So, ayun nga, good evening. So, I'm trying my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Matagal ko na siyang nabili, but ngayon ko lang talaga siya na-appreciate fully. I've had taken so much and a lot of videos. And I even tried the still photos, but ngayon ko lang siya na-appreciate kasi most of the vloggers and content creators, which I am not, ganito na yung ginagamit. So, naaaliw ako with its face tracking capabilities. So, when we went to Australia last August of 2024, I tried my best to look for a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But wala silang stock. So, if you could just imagine during that time, kung ang Australia wala, ang US wala, ubus na, nagkakaubusan. And in the Philippines, meron namang nagbebenta online but napakamahal, overpriced. So, what I did was, okay, intayin ko na lang. Total, hindi ko naman talaga siya kailangan. So, when DJI store opened in I forgot, nag-open sila sa Abriza. Opening day talaga nila. Tinry ko lang naman if ever meron. So, they said, yeah, meron pa silang few stocks left. And ang daming content creators from Davao na nakasabay ko doon and they already bought theirs. So, sabi ko, bibili ako. More than, is it a need or a want? Want lang siya, but if hindi ko kukunin, I might miss my chance. So, bumili ako. Ngayon ko lang siya na-enjoy talaga at naaaliw ako. So, as a traveler who loves to take good photo, not really far photos, yung iPhone 16 Pro Max can do it. I just want to capture best videos. Hindi naman always akong ready to take it, but at least I have DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in my bag. Kasi handy naman talaga siya. Para anytime I want to take videos, meron ako.